Hey friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a grandma hanger unboxing video, and I have been getting a lot of messages, a lot of comments asking me about grandma hanger because I know you guys love her just as much as I do and are concerned about her safety and well-being. And I just want to assure you that grandma is doing great. She is at home in New York City, which the state of New York is currently under a shelter in place where they can only leave for essential things such as work if they have to, doctor, medical care, and essentials like groceries and things like that. But grandma has been staying home for a couple weeks, so she is safe and sound, and my uncle actually lives really close to her, so it's good because she has some family nearby. And again, thank you all for your thoughts and concerns as we go through this crazy time with her and throughout the country. Of course, I'm thinking about all you guys as well, but I'm trying to get back into some of my more normal content, some of my typical videos, which grandma hanger hauls are one of my favorite types of videos, and I'll link the playlist down below that has all the other hauls that she sent me in the past. So the box of items that I have today, I have this kind of smallish box here, and these are items that she thrifted probably a few weeks ago, if not last month. She typically goes and just finds things here and there and gathers them together and sends me a box at a time. So even when she sent me the last box, I think she still had some of this stuff to send me. So obviously she hasn't been out thrifting recently. The thrift stores and everything is closed, and she's remaining safe and following all the guidelines. So this stuff is from a little while ago, and I am super thankful to receive this box, especially during this time, because I'm staying at home like everyone else, and I am limited on inventory and how I can get it. So the fact that she sent me some just means so much to me. So I can't wait to open it up. Of course, I'm going to share with you guys everything that she picked up, and all this stuff is going to be listed in my Poshmark closet, which is always linked in the description box below. And without further ado, let's get into today's haul. Okay, I just opened up the box, and as we can see, something colorful and embroidered on top, which is one of my favorite things. I don't know, I just love embroidered things. I think it adds a really nice detail. And this is a really cool handbag. So it is fully embroidered. And then the back of it has this really nice, I think this is suede. It definitely feels like leather. And then a leather strap. It's like a hobo style bag, and it's a decent size. I really like this a lot. This is something that I would carry myself. I'm gonna see if there's a brand in it. Okay, so this is actually the front of it because the tag is on the inside and the back. So that's the front. That's the back. And the brand on this one is called Gypsies and Debutantes. I've never heard of that before. I'm gonna show you the tag so you can see what it looks like. So Gypsies and Debutantes, I actually like that name because it's kind of like a bohemian southern thing, but I'm gonna look this up just by looking at it with the quality of the embroidery and the suede and just the feel of it. It feels like really high quality. I bet this retails for a lot. So I have no idea how much I'm gonna list this for. I typically do estimate prices as I go through, but I wanna look this one up since I'm not familiar with the brand, so good find there. That would definitely be something I would maybe keep for myself, but I'm not going to because I need to list stuff during this time. And I just pulled out, you guys are not going to believe this if you've seen her last two videos. She has found Rothy's the last two times, and she found another pair of Rothy's. And I still haven't found a pair. Not that I've been out shopping, but this is really crazy. These look like a leopard print pointed flats, kind of like the first pair she found. They're in really good condition on the bottom. Okay, and then I'm gonna look at the size. So you just pull out the insole on Rothy's. I've learned a lot from the ones she sent me, and these are a women's size 8. It looks like they might need a little cleaning inside, but the nice thing about Rothy's is you can wash them. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw these in the washer and wash them before I get them listed and before I sell them. But I feel like this leopard or speckle print will probably be worth more than the solid ones. So I think the last pair I sold for $100. So I might list these a little bit higher and see what I can get for them. So maybe around $125 for those. Okay, the next thing is a Lululemon item, and this is just a gray racerback tank top. It has the Lululemon logo on the back, and it's kind of like a shimmery, I don't know, it's a really soft material, and it does have the pads in it, which is nice. And then I'm gonna look for the size in the lining, and this one is a size 4. Lululemon does not sell for as much as it used to, but I still love having it in my closet because I definitely think people search for it, and especially now a lot of people are working out from home and maybe focusing on their health a little more now that we all have more time to do that. So I feel like workout stuff is gonna be popular right now. I'm probably gonna list this one at $25. Okay, we've got another workout item. This one is a pair of leggings, and I can actually tell what these are by the color blocking. If you know what these are, if you're familiar with this brand, it is Outdoor Voices, and I haven't found this very much myself. I think Grandma's found it before, maybe once or twice, but these are a size small, just really nice color block legging. Again, like I said, people working out, so I think that will do well. Probably around $45 for those. I think they retail around $100. And retail price doesn't always determine the resale value, but with things that are more trendy or popular and more current, I think you can usually get more for them. So that's why I kind of mention it with certain items. And then another workout item, and this is another brand that I love and she has found before and I have found it before, and it's called K-Deer. So here's the K-Deer logo, and K-Deer leggings are made in the USA. They're just really high quality yoga or Pilates or workout wear, and these are a cropped legging, and this particular pair is a size small. So I will probably list these around $40 to $45. Okay, next up is a t-shirt, it feels like. So we've got this really cool t-shirt. Oh, it's Spiritual Gangster. Spiritual Gangster is another brand that I love. They make a lot of yoga stuff, and this one is a size small. So size small, little t, I'll probably list this at $25. Okay, next is a couple accessories, and I love selling accessories. I think it's great for helping to have bundle sales in your closet, and I especially love belts. I talk about this all the time, Grandma knows, because I list a ton of belts, and this is just a really cool like medallion chain belt. I think this would look really good over just like a long maxi skirt or maybe a dress that needs a little more shape. So here's what the little coin medallions look like up close, and it's just a clasp closure. And for belts, I just measure the full length and then like the shortest hole or shortest place that you could close it, and then the longest one, and I include all those measurements because this in particular doesn't have any brand or size or tag or anything like that. So I'll probably list this one at $25. Okay, and up next, it looks like another belt, and this one's really cool. Let me see. I'm gonna put it together so I can show you up close. This is actually a snake chain belt. So it's got the snake head, and then it also has the snake tail, and you can just close it. It looks like anywhere on here. This actually looks kind of short to be a belt. I mean, I'm sure you could wear it as a belt, but it would also be really, really cool as a long necklace. I'm experimenting right now as we're on camera. So like I would wear that as a long necklace with like a solid top underneath, but of course you could wear it as a belt as well. And this almost looks like it could be vintage. Again, there's no tags or markings or anything. I'm gonna look up snake belts like this just because it is so unique, but maybe 35 to 40 on this one. Okay, we've got, it looks like a lot more workout wear in this box, so it's probably gonna be a bunch of Lululemon, Grandma's favorite, and we have a hot pink, bright neon pink Lululemon tank. This is their Swiftly tank. It does have a little bit of a print to it, and this one is a size 6. So there is the Lululemon size 6. The Swiftly stuff does pretty well, so I'll probably list this one a little higher at $30. And then next is a jacket. So we have a Lululemon, it's actually a half zip, so like a pullover jacket. And this one looks like it still has the tag inside, and it is a size 8. So a Lulu size 8, just long sleeve, black pullover. It's got a bunch of reflective details, and then it has the thumb holes in the cuffs as well. So I'll probably list this one around $50 to $60. I'm gonna look up the style on Lululemon Fanatics. or lulufanatics.com. And then another Lululemon jacket. This one is a really pretty blue color, turquoise blue. This is my favorite color. And it's a full zip jacket. I want to say this one's called the Stride jacket. And let's open it up. It doesn't have the tag in there, so I'm going to look for the size in the pocket. Okay, so it had the size in the pocket, and this one is a size 8. So probably, again, around $50 to $60 on the jacket. And then the next thing is one more Lululemon item, and this is a scuba hoodie. So this is the really thick, like zip-up hoodie sweatshirt, and I really like the print on this one. I think I have some leggings in my Poshmark closet in this print actually. It's like a cloud stripe print, so that is what it looks like. And then the back, it's got the hood on it. And this one, let's see what size. It's a size 4, so it still has the tag on the inside, which is nice. It's a size 4. The Scubas have a really good resale value. Again, I'll probably do this one around $60. And then that is it for this box from Grandma. So that is everything that she had to send to me, and now, you know, she's at home safe and sound and won't be able to go out thrifting for quite a while like many of us. So I know we're all gonna have some Grandma Hanger unboxing withdrawals, but I want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed to my channel already. Any comments or questions, you can always leave them in the comment section down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!